Gudugbe fẹ́ já ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Ogun State àti ní Ọ̀ṣun State. Bákan náà àwọn terrorist àti àwọn ìjọba wa lórílẹ̀‐èdè Nàìjíríà yìí mẹ́sẹ̀gì jáde ohun tó wà láàrin wọn àṣírí tú. Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé ẹ wò wọ́n sọ àwọn ìran tó ní agbára o tí ó yẹ kí gbogbo àwọn ọmọ Nàìjíríà ká kíyèsí. Ẹ jẹ́ wá fídíò sílẹ̀ fún yín kẹ́ wá lọ gbọ́ ohun tí wọ́n sọ. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share o, ìran burúkú ò ní ṣẹlẹ̀ wa lórí o. Ẹ ṣé, ó yá lókè lọ́hùn.
Russia will disappoint the Nigerian government. Likewise, Nigerian government should work more with China for security agreement. Climatic condition is going to cause a lot of problems in America, in UK, and likewise NATO and America. They will have a very strong disappointment, a very strong argument. Disappointment. They will have disappointment amongst themselves, and of course, there's going to be a kind of a threat from America. America will begin to threat NATO. This government, if they don't encourage local manufacturers, let them apply any tax method, it will not work, and the economy will still be stagnant, suffer setback. IDP camp, government should scrap IDP camp. It's a sitting strength of the terrorists. However, we are talking about terrorists. Who initiate terrorists? Politicians. How? They are using them for their own selfish end. Nigerian politicians encourage terrorists. That is why every government is afraid to fight terrorists, because they have their secrets. Okay, why is it that they cannot arrest Gumi? If they have the strength, if you say you are the IDP, Abiami, arrest Gumi now. What Gumi is saying, if it's an ordinary person, they will have held him. They will have even sentenced him to imprisonment, because Gumi and the government are working together. That is a top secret. I'm telling you, Nigerians. That is why everybody now must defend themselves. Don't wait for Nigeria. Yoruba doesn't have a kakanfo. Kakanfo has already been kakanfo lies. Our kakanfo is particularized. No king will fight for you. All our king, they are party kings. I don't know if I'm making any point to you. If you are waiting that one king will wait and say this is what we do, no king is ready to do anything. No, what they want to do is to buy Rolls Royce, Bentley. That's what they want to make dollar. Our king is dollarized. They don't know anything about culture. Culture is dead. Is dead. So if you say that OPC, APC, RDC, FFR will come and protect you, you are wasting your time. Church, see how to protect yourself. Meanwhile, Ogun State is the next place where terrorists will attack. Schools in Ogun State should be protected. This is a warning beforehand now, not wait till late. No. Ogun, Ọ̀ṣun, they are the mercy of the terrorists. Why are we wasting our soldiers? When you know that you politicians causes terrorists, why can't you go and do the needful? Instead of sending the soldiers to war all the time, killing them every day, they kill our soldiers. What's the work of the chief of army staff? What are they doing? What are they doing? Who is protecting who? Only God is protecting us. So don't let it get to a situation where Nigeria will revolt. They will revolt against the government in this insecurity. They are planning to enter Lagos. So but they are still looking at it that Lagos is a dangerous place for them to enter. This is a warning. If you like, take it. If you like, so everybody must be conscious and very protective of yourself. Government will not protect you. They will only speak language and they will pay ransom. They are paying ransom to defend themselves, and they negotiate with terrorists. It's a bad attitude. So what is Tinubu? Why is Tinubu afraid of terrorists? And you want to win second time? Is it possible? When you are afraid of these terrorists, people who are going to vote for you, they have kidnapped them. So how do you want to win? That's the truth. That is one reason I will repeat myself. Nigerians cannot remove Tinubu. God cannot remove Tinubu. God will never remove him. Misquote me again. God, pray, fast. He will not show. Who will remove him? Your card and your vote. If you are determined today to remove him, no power can do rigging. Rigging will not work when Nigeria is ready to remove him. And if there's election today, he cannot win. And be honest, even Peter Obi will not win. Let's move forward. Will not win. We are waiting one by one and tell you, see who will win, see who will not win. NPA, Nigerian Port Authority. Let us be careful. They want to use our waterway to pass ammunitions, fuel. They want to use the waterway to carry cocaine. Big one. Only God will prevent violence in coming election, because Nigeria is ready to cause violence. The best thing is, let the government do the right thing so that there will be no violence. Nigeria is ready for it. I say violent election. I say inconclusive election. The date of that election is not the actual date for best election in Nigeria. If they like, let them change the date. If they don't like, let them leave it and wait for results. Egypt economy will be in shambles. Two key members of Trump, they will resign. Two of his key members, they will just get tired of Trump and resign. Kuje prison, Kaduna prison is under threat. These are sensitive information that government must listen to. When I said it here that Prime Minister of Senegal, they will remove him. Abi, you see, he was removed. Now let him go and contest. They will block him. But if he's smart enough, they will not succeed, and they will attempt to kill him. They will attempt to kill him. This election that is coming is under fraud. And Tinubu should note that it's not do election with only opposition. No. Oh God. He's doing election with opposition and international community. He needs to do a lot for you to win.
Ẹ ṣeun gbogbo àtàdìjọ wo fídíò yìí, àdẹ̀dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Prime Minister Ayọ̀délé náà fún àwọn àṣírí tí wọ́n tú jáde yìí nípa ẹ̀mí Ọlọ́run. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo àwa ọ̀jọ̀gbọ́n, gbogbo àtàdìjọ wo fídíò yìí àtàwa ta tó máa wò ó. Ṣe rí nǹkan báyìí o. Àwọn olóṣèlú, àwọn ìjọba wa, bí wọ́n ṣe máa wọlé ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì ni wọ́n ń wá. Ẹni tó wà ní sínétọ̀, ó tún fẹ́ lọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Ẹni tó wà ní gọ́vnà, òun náà fẹ́ ṣe kí ni, ó fẹ́ di vice president tàbí kó di president, àwọn ọmọ tí wọ́n tó dẹ̀ wà lábẹ́ wọn, wọ́n fẹ́ jẹ́ kí wọ́n wà ní ipò tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi sílẹ̀, kí wọ́n jẹ́ godfather fún wọn. So oríṣiríṣi ìyẹn ló jẹ wọ́n lógún. President náà, òun náà tún fẹ́ lọ ẹlẹ́ẹ̀kejì sí. Ṣùgbọ́n gbogbo ẹ̀yin olóṣèlú, gbogbo ẹ̀yin ìjọba wa yìí, àwọn tó máa dìbò fún yín, òun náà ni wọ́n ń jí gbé yìí. Kíá. So láìsí wọn, ẹ lè ṣèjọba láṣeyọrí àbí? Ó mà ṣe o. Ẹ̀yin ìjọba Ogun State, ẹ̀yin ìjọba Ọ̀ṣun State, wọ́n ní Gudugbe fẹ́ já o. Àwọn ajínigbé wọ̀nyí wọ́n fẹ́ strike o. Wọ́n fẹ́ kọlu Ọ̀ṣun, wọ́n fẹ́ kọlu Ògùn. Tájẹ̀tì wọn tó kàn nìyẹn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ bá wa tètè gbé ìgbésẹ̀ wá àkànṣe sí ètò ààbò tó múnádóko ní gbogbo ìpínlẹ̀ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá. Àwọn kan ni wọ́n yìí kó báyìí l'Ógbómọ̀ṣọ́, tíṣà, olùkọ́ àti àwọn ọmọ iléèwé tí ó ti lé ní 50 ọjọ́ báyìí. Ipò tí wọ́n wà kò lè dàbí pé kí wọ́n wà ní comfort home wọn. Ẹ jọ̀wọ́, gbogbo ẹ̀yin ìjọba, ẹ dìde, ẹ gbé ìgbésẹ̀ o. Àní rí wàhálà, àní dààmú, wọn ò ní gbé wa lọ, wọn ò ní gbé ẹbí wa lọ o. Ogun ò ní kó ilẹ̀ Yorùbá o. Ẹ tètè bá wa wá nǹkan ṣe sí i. Ẹ tètè bá wa wá nǹkan ṣe sí i. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ẹ̀yin security, ẹ̀yin ìjọba, ẹ̀yin elétò ààbò, ẹ tètè bá wa wá nǹkan ṣe sí i. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, à ń bẹ̀ yín ni, à ń rọ̀ yín ní o. À ń bẹ̀ yín, à ń rọ̀ yín ní. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ ti subscribe, ẹ bá wa subscribe sí Only Jesus TV. Gbogbo bàbá ṣe ń mú tuntun wá, á tètè máa bọ́ sí ojú ọwọ́ wa. Ẹ wo ìsàlẹ̀ yẹn, ẹ máa rí subscribe button yẹn, ẹ tẹ notification bell náà, á tètè máa ta wá lólobó. Ẹ ṣé, láìpẹ́ á tún padà wá ní àlàáfíà.